The majority of the work that we take over is extremely challenging. We prefer jobs that carry a large degree of difficulty. Trenchers to pan tractors to excavators to graders. All of our fleet is equipped with our Topcon machine control.
It gives me the comfort knowing that the things we build are going to be built exactly the way they were drawn by the engineer. Drop the blade where it needs to go. Operator can make fewer passes and get more accuracy.
More work with less people and less equipment because of that system. I love watching that dirt fly.
Those guys from Topcon, they talk to the gods, and they tell the tractor where to go and what to do and what to plant.
Topcon carries a great reputation in this industry.
The support process that we get, I can pick a phone up and within a matter of minutes, we're back up and running.
They'll meet us in the field, they'll meet us at the site, they'll meet us at the office, we'll send it to them. Either way, it doesn't matter.
We're probably 90% Topcon. I plan to make it 100%. Whatever news coming out, we gotta have it. You know, that's how we keep our edge.